Are you wondering how you can use AI in L&D? Well, as you can tell by the title, you are in the right place. The world of AI is evolving, and we'll probably need to update this video in the next 6 months, maybe even less, as the way it's used continues to evolve too. But for now, we want to share some easy ways that you can integrate artificial intelligence into your everyday life with a bit of a learning slant. I'm sure you already know, but just as a reminder, AI or artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines programmed to perform tasks that typically require human cognition, such as learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, and even decision making. AI systems rely on algorithms, data, and computational power to emulate human like behavior and intelligence. The great thing about it is that it is fairly easy to use once you know how to use it properly, that is, and when you're provided with the right tools. The first use case of AI is the obvious one, and that's AI powered content. AI can automate the creation of various learning materials from quizzes and module outlines to videos and scenarios. Increasingly, we're seeing embedded AI tools too that can create sum ups, wrap ups, descriptions, or outlines based off content that already exists at a click of a button. This is the most common use case of AI, not just in L&D, but across sectors. Next up is personalized learning. Look at apps like Netflix and Amazon. Their recommendation engine sends you related content or products to keep you interested. LMSs like Totra have built their own version, which you can utilize for yourself. This allows you to share related courses to your learners while they are browsing your catalogue or completing other similar content. And that's not all. You can get even more personalization too. AI can now analyze individual learner data to create customized learning paths that adapt to their pace, knowledge, and needs, improving engagement and mastery. AI powered virtual mentors and coaches are becoming increasingly viable in L&D initiatives too. These virtual assistants leverage machine learning algorithms to provide personalized guidance, answer queries, and offer real time feedback to your learners. Whether it's through chatbots, virtual classrooms, or interactive simulations, AI driven mentoring enhances the accessibility and the scalability of coaching services, especially in remote or geographically dispersed teams. Predictive analytics algorithms can forecast future skill requirements based on current trends, market dynamics, and even organizational goals. By analyzing employee performance data, career aspirations, and industry benchmarks, AI systems can identify potential skill gaps and recommend targeted training programs or upskilling opportunities. This proactive approach enables organizations to stay ahead of evolving skill demands and nurture a future ready workforce. NLP technology enables machines to understand and interpret human language, making it invaluable in analyzing and optimizing learning content. AI powered systems can perform semantic analysis to identify key concepts, sentiment analysis to gauge learner engagement, and even generate personalized feedback based on written responses. This capability enhances content relevance, improves learning outcomes, and facilitates continuous improvement in course materials. AI enabled feedback systems provide continuous monitoring and assessment of learner progress, performance, and skill development. These systems can analyze multiple data points, including quiz scores, participation levels, learning behaviors, and peer evaluations, to generate comprehensive feedback reports. By leveraging data analytics and machine learning, you can identify areas for improvement, you can track learning outcomes, and you can customize interventions to support individual growth trajectories. Integrating AI into learning and development poses several challenges. Here are four really key ones. First is data privacy and security. Implementing AI in L&D involves collecting and analysing vast amounts of personal data from your learners. Ensuring the privacy and security of this data is absolutely paramount. You must comply with data protection regulations such as GDPR and establish robust cybersecurity measures to prevent any breaches and misuse of sensitive information. The second is bias and fairness. AI systems can inadvertently perpetuate and amplify biases present in the data they are trained on. In an L&D context, this can lead to unfair treatment of certain groups of learners. For instance, biased algorithms might favour certain demographics over others, affecting access to opportunities and resources. It is crucial to ensure that AI models are trained on diverse and representative data and are regularly audited for fairness. Next is lack of human touch. While AI can automate many aspects of learning, it may not fully replicate the nuances of human interaction. The absence of a bit of personal touch can really affect the learner experience, especially in areas that benefit from things like empathy, encouragement, and personalized feedback. Balancing AI driven automation with human engagement is really essential to maintaining a supportive learning environment. Finally, there's technical and implementation challenges. Integrating AI into existing L&D systems can be technically complex and really resource intensive. You may face challenges related to the compatibility of new AI tools with their current infrastructure, the need for significant investment in technology and training, and the difficulty of scaling solutions across diverse learning environments. More often than not, there is also a really steep learning curve for both educators and learners to use AI driven tools effectively. Addressing these challenges requires careful planning, ethical considerations, continuous monitoring, and a really strategic approach to ensure that the integration of AI into L&D delivers positive outcomes without ever compromising on fairness, security, or human interaction. Remember that AI is still very much a buzzword. We are yet to see much solidify in the way of actual solutions yet, but that doesn't mean it isn't coming, and in some case isn't here. There are some absolutely major players working on how to incorporate AI tools into their learning platforms. We're a platinum partner of Totra, which has very recently released a full integration with OpenAI, and that means many more new ways of using AI in your LMS are coming. Just remember not to get carried away with the potential of artificial intelligence. More often than not, it's not going to solve your key L&D challenges that you are facing. Subscribe to learn more about key learning opportunities and trends, and I will see you in the next one.